being able to build a funnel website, create affiliate links, wow, what an amazing ability to be able to put everything into one space. But more importantly, what about those forms, those things that you need to capture, the data you need to capture on your website? I want to show you an unlimited way to be able to get unlimited fields, unlimited captions. Let's have a look inside. And so welcome inside of having a look at Productivity Hub and our funnels and website sort of area. And so inside of here, it's a really, really simple way to build funnels, websites, and be able to get all the forms you want and surveys and everything you need from ready to basically put your automations together. So building the infrastructure, then you can actually build your automation. So in here, if we want to create a new funnel, really simple sort of process, you can actually start it from blank and absolutely start with a blank page, or you can actually pick from one of the many templates within the system. So what you can do within the templates, you can actually pick, if you're into beauty and fashion, might be a nice way to start. All right, and now all these particular funnels are already pre-built for you. You can actually click on the little eye and they'll actually bring it up and give you a look at what the website's going to look like when it's finished. And it'll allow you then to go through it. And what these have got, these are very simple systems, very simple funnels, all right, but they're purpose designed to that particular industry. So some industries that you want something that's a lot more detailed, so it needs to have a lot more information within it. So you can actually have it's just a standard landing page. You can also have it with navigation and everything, and it's got all of your photos and a very simple landing page to be able to sell a product. So that's a part of building a funnel. Then when you actually get over into the website side of things, it's exactly the same process. And so what you have to build a new website, you can actually go through, it looks exactly the same. And what you can do is pick the same areas. And now you can actually get into, and there's quite a few more, and you'll see here that it's got the same sort of theme within it. And now you can build your funnels and your landing pages. So it's all got the same sort of themes, looks and feels. And now you've got all the different areas in here. Now every picture is can be changed. You can update the videos, you update all the different sections, but it gives you the structure based upon best practice for your marketing. So it takes away all the thinking for you and allows you to get best practice on your website that's going to be converting for you. Now, once you actually build a funnel and you get something done, or it might be a website, doesn't matter which one it is. I'm just going to go into the podcasting sort of website. And if you wanted to go in here now and start to update it or anything like that, you can just click on it. You can actually make split testing within here as well. But when you want to edit the page, whether it be from a template side of things or it's already built and you want to do a little tweak on it, again, just click the page you want to go to. You've now got all your different tools are right in front of you, ready to go. So you know exactly what the pages you got. This is what it looks like. Over here, you got this little plus an element. So you click on plus an element and you can now put all the different buttons and features that you can actually fit within a particular website. It's just here. So if you want to put a shopping cart in there, you want to put social media icons, doesn't matter what you want to put in there. It's all being thought of, all the different elements, and you'll literally just drag and drop it across here. You'll see that it'll just drag and drop into the system. I'm just going to let it go now. All right. And then you'll obviously then hit save over here. And if you want to go publish, you can publish live. So a really fast way to edit your websites and to be able to get your updates done and build funnels, etc., etc. And so what we also have within the Productivity Hub, once you start getting into building websites, you want to be starting to create forms. And so when you start to think about forms, which is the data collection part of your website, picking up their name, address, and phone number, we have got you covered in a very significant way. So when you build a form, you want to start from scratch, or you can pick a template. So if we can pick a template, again, as you can start to see, all the templates and everything and all the websites and everything is all now matching. So now you've got these beautiful little templates that will actually match up exactly the same as your website. So really cool little feature. So we're just going to go to something different here. But now we've got this nice little form. So it's got all the different details in it. You can say, yes, that's what I want. Do any updates you want. Or, as I said, you can build from scratch. And so if you want to build from scratch, again, very simple drag and drop sort of system in here to be able to make your new forms and to create it. Again, nice and simple. It comes up with your standard sort of things that you want to catch. If you want to actually take out any of these, you can delete these sections. You can add another element in there if you want to add another element, phone numbers and postcodes, etc., etc. This is an agreement one, so it comes up with a standard one and it creates the button and everything for you. And then over here, you can actually now do this so it makes it as a pop-up, or it sits on a website and you can embed the code or create the form and send it off straight to social media. And that will then populate everything back within your CRM with all the details you've actually created in that form. And you can now start to track all the people that have been to your website, market to them, and then create a workflow that will actually make a lot of difference in the automation section. And so it might be a good idea to have a look at that one next. So I look forward to seeing you again. I hope this has been helpful to understand how the websites, marketing side of things, funnels and building forms in different areas of Productivity Hub can work for you. How cool, hey? Being able to create your funnels, your websites, your forms, even surveys. Just that ability to be able to put everything into this one package. What an amazing feature. I look forward to sharing with some more hot tips and some great features within Productivity Hub very, very soon.